Hello everyone, today I will introduce transit mobile payments. Over 7.3 million people use public transportation to commute to and from work every day in the United States. Many commuters travel with their smartphones in hand to check the day's news, send emails, watch movies, and shop. Commuters are seeing the value in using their mobile phones to pay for transit fare to avoid waiting in ticket lines or having to carry cash or a fare card. What's driving consumer adoption of transit mobile payments? According to a research survey, 90% of American adults have mobile phones, and more than half of US smartphone users identified commuting as one of the top three occasions for using their smartphones each day. And another survey reported that nearly half of US commuters would use a mobile phone to pay for mass transit. The report also noted several common pain points among commuters. 44% worry about missing a bus or train while waiting in line to add money to a fare card. 34% worry about not having exact change. 26% worry about having enough cash to pay for a mass transit ride. Why transit agencies are considering building mobile technology into their payment strategies? There are several reasons. The first is to increase consumer choice and engagement, and the second is to accommodate and keep pace with new emerging technologies. The third is to decrease costs associated with fare collection. There are three main types of current transit mobile payment applications. The first one is visual electronic ticket. The figure displays a visual electronic ticket for inspection by a transit agency employee to confirm the customer has purchased the appropriate fare. The electronic ticket typically contains a visual validation security feature such as animations, countdown, or a color of the day to prevent users from creating fraudulent electronic tickets through screenshots or other means. The second type of application is a machine-readable two-dimensional quick response code, which is a two-dimensional barcode that contains information such as payment account data that can be quickly scanned and decoded. Some mobile apps offer both visual validation and QR code features, so the ticket can be validated visually by agency staff at locations where QR code readers are not available. But QR codes can also still be validated via a scan where readers are available. The third type of application is NFC, which means Near-Field Communication. NFC is a standards-based wireless communication technology that allows data to be exchanged between devices that are a few centimeters apart. In a public transportation environment, users pay via NFC by tapping their device on a NFC reader installed at a station or onboard a vehicle. NFC technology is well suited for gated fare schemes, particularly because of the fast read speed NFC affords versus QR codes, which benefit large transit systems with a high volume of transactions. Of course, there are some drawbacks of QR code and NFC. For QR code, the first is it has strong network dependence because of the need for networking, sometimes in areas where the signal is not good. You scan for a long time and the payment is unsuccessful. The second, it has the lack of consistency among QR code algorithms. For NFC, the first, it is too much expensive for companies to adopt NFC-enabled technology, to purchase and maintain related machines and other equipment. And the second is it has lack of security. While NFC transactions are more secure than regular credit card payments, this technology is not completely free from risk. This is the references I used. Thanks for everyone.